Okay, hold your noses, dear viewers, because this is ugly. So since there is no space to, I managed to somehow get the Torx bit in there at some particular angle, and then I put a universal joint in there, and I have tightened this. Oh yeah, and universal joints are, like the worst thing ever, but I don't see a choice here because I don't even know if you can get a shallower Torx bit. And now the question is, can I torque this with this? That seems questionable at best, but I suppose I could try. Yeah. Well, I can't imagine that the torque would be accurate if I do this now. And besides, what torque is it supposed to be? It says chain sprocket 25 Newton meters, yes. So 25 Newton meters isn't that high, so thank God for that. Yeah, this is at that more or less here. And I'm going to try and torque it. This is probably not accurate at all. I'm not happy about this. How did they expect you to do this? I don't know. Come on. That's right. Tighten this guy. So I put a towel in here so as to not mar the flange, the oil pump, the lower oil sump flange. So we'll see what I can do here. It is turning ever so slowly, so maybe that's the answer here, to do it degree by degree. I'm afraid that it'll slip and do nasty things. Okay, I'm going to call it a day simply because, okay. Oh, fantastic. Now this is in some really odd place. Fantastic. Come on. You're kidding me. Nope, there's no way to move this now.